What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a business that you can actually start up right now and start earning huge profit right now, you are in the right video because in today's video, I am going to be sharing 6 hot businesses that can help you to make quick money. There are businesses that allows you to earn quick money. Immediately you start this business, you are going to be seeing results instantly. And sometimes there are businesses that allows you to, it takes time for you to be able to start seeing your profits. But these ones I'm going to be talking about, they allow you to earn money quickly. If you don't have much money or you're trying to start up something new, whether you're a startup, whether you're somebody that has been doing a lot of businesses and maybe you want to change, these businesses will help you. And it's easier right now to make money, easier and faster to make money these days because of the innovative and the skills that are trending. So if you want to grow, you need to start looking for those trends that can actually help you to grow and make money easier. Guys, let's dive into this video without wasting any of your time and so that you can actually pick one of the businesses that you actually want to start right now. Now, the first business on my list today that you can actually start today and start earning quick money today is what? It's freelancing jobs. Freelancing jobs for professional is one of the businesses that you don't need to wait before you start making profit. And this one is just like a contract job. You have your skills and you have your interests, and you depend on some of those skills that you have to be able to make money. All you need to do, either you have your own website or you're using social media to, promote yourself, or you can go to Fiverr, you can go to Upwork or Google Jobs to be able to look for freelancing jobs. And immediately you complete the project, you complete the work, you are paid instantly. You are being your own boss without any delay. There is no freelancing job person that is not making money right now. Immediately you finish your jobs, you complete your projects, whether you're a graphic designer, whether you're a translator, whether you're a teacher or anything that you are doing, immediately you complete your jobs. You understand? You are getting paid. And this job is taken all over the world. There's no limitation to freelancing jobs for professionals. No matter where you are in the world, you can actually do these freelancing jobs. And number two is to sell food and beverages. Anywhere you are in the world, everybody knows that food and beverages are one of the businesses that allows you to make quick money instantly. There's no holding back as long as you know what you are doing and you know how to cook and you know how to deliver your services. These particular businesses gives you quick money. Yes, whether you're doing free lunch, whether you're doing lunches, nobody's doing any free lunch. Whether you're doing lunch, whether you're doing homemade food, whether you're running a restaurant or wherever tourist people are, you know the season and you are delivering good quality food, definitely you are going to sell. Yes, I've run a restaurant before and it didn't take me time to actually start making money running that particular food business. So even home delivery, people do and deliver to people from your comfort, from the comfort of their homes. Even if you don't have money to start up and start renting spaces, you can actually also start this business in the comfort of your home. And definitely, you're not losing anything. You are going to be making money selling food or any kind of beverage that you decide to, sell. And the next business that can help you to start any quick money is to start a boutique business. Boutique business has come to stay and it's not going anywhere. Century, people love to look good. People wear different fabrics. People make clothes. People sell ready-made. And if you want to start making your own clothes and sell, you can actually start doing that. And if you do not have money for startups, maybe renting locations and all of that, this is a business that allows you to, create a space in the comfort of your home and start making money. Yes, this business allows you to make money quick. Right now, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing my own online business and into fashion boutique businesses and actually is making money for me. And the next business, number 4, that we have to talk about is blogging business. Yes, I've tried different kinds of business, and blogging business is one of the businesses that is going to allow you to earn quick money. Yes, it's not like YouTube that takes you time before you get your 4,000 watch hour before you start making money. I started my blogging and under 1 month, to try that. This is not luck. This is what, if you put head to it, you're actually going to start making money. Blogging business is one of those business that allows you to earn quick money because you can be monetized under 1 month as long as you are writing quality, you know, publishing quality articles on your blog. You are going to be making money, even doing sponsored ad, affiliate marketing. And it doesn't mean that you are a great writer or anything, as long as you know how to put words together. Yes, I got my first blog monetized under 1 month, just like I said, and I mean it. Ibera Nosike blog. Yes, I did that and it really worked. And the next business right now, without wasting any of the time, that can actually help you to make money, guys, is digital marketing. Everybody knows that digital marketing right now is one of the businesses that is actually making money because people are looking for who can actually promote their brand for them, promote their services online, whether you are using social media, whether you're using email marketing, whether you are using search engine optimization, any type that you are going to use. As you are promoting their brands, they are paying you money. Sometimes even before the business is strikes, the deals are made. You are already making money. You need to be paid. Yes. And you can also help them to do affiliate marketing, help yourself as well. Do from there, you're doing affiliate marketing, selling items and earning commission. Yes. Digital marketing is one of those businesses that you can actually tap into and make money. The only thing that you need to do is to find something, even if it's one. So nobody is complaining right now that I'm broke or whatever. You cannot do any of these businesses. Pick one and you will be crying. The thing is this, you need to go, and explore and check out all these things and pick that particular one that you can actually make, and start doing it. And the last on my list is custom jewelry. Whether it's jewelry business, people like to wear bling bling and look good. And people like to do customized jewelry actually because this makes them happy. Imagine me wearing something and my name is written on it. Actually, I'll be so happy, glad to be able to, collect one of these items, guys. Yes, jewelry, customized items or jewelries. People love to wear jewelries, and there are many occasions to attend, and I want to show off. Yes, to wear different and assorted types. So young guys today are into, jewelries, and they want to look good today. Guys, if you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first to get it. Bye bye. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you have any comments, you have any, um, question, you can always put that on the comment section. Thank you guys for always watching. Bye bye and take time. Take care. Bye bye.